So students, now let's see how to convert a sentence into passive voice if our tense is a perfect tense. Remember this to identify your perfect tense. In a present perfect tense, the verb will already be in the past participle form, and before this verb you can find words like have, has. In the past perfect tense, also the verb will be in the past participle form, and before the verb you can find the word had. In a future perfect tense, also the verb will already be in the past participle form, and before the verb you can find word shall, will have. So you can remember this to identify the perfect tense. Now let's see the conversion of a sentence into passive voice if our tense is a present perfect tense. Let's see an example. Sheila has sung a song. First rule, find the object. So our object in the sentence is a song. So let's place it in the place of the subject in the passive form. A song. Next, identify the verb. Our verb in the sentence is has sung. Now we have to apply the rule have or has plus been plus past participle. So let's apply the rule has been. As I told you, in the past perfect form, this is the present perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, here has sung, the word sung is already in the third form. That is, in all the three forms of the verb tense, that is, if it is a present perfect tense, or it is a past perfect tense, or it is a future perfect tense, in all the three tense you can see the verb will already be in the past participle form. So here a verb is already in the past participle form. So we will write the word sung. Now we have to add the word by, and then we have to place the subject in the place of the object in the passive. So in such way we have now converted our sentence from active voice to passive voice if the tense is a present perfect tense. Sheila has sung a song. A song has been sung by Sheila. Next we are going to see conversion of a sentence into passive voice if the tense is a past perfect tense. So students, now let us see an example for conversion of a sentence into passive voice if our tense is a past perfect tense. Let's see an example. Sheila had sung a song. So let us start the conversion. Now find out the object. Object in the sentence is a song. Now place it as a subject in the passive form. A song. Next step, identify the verb. The verb in our sentence here is had sung. Now let us follow the rule. Had plus been plus past participle. So let's write now the rule here. Had been. And now we have to write the third form of the verb. And as I already told you, the verb is already in its past participle form. In any of the tenses you see, whether it is a present perfect tense, whether it's a past perfect tense, or it's a future perfect tense. Our sentence now is in past perfect tense. So let's place the verb sung. After you place the verb sung here, now add the verb by after the verb, and now identify the subject and place it in the place of the object in the passive. Now our subject becomes the object in the passive form, and such way we have now converted our sentence into the passive voice if the tense is in past perfect tense. Example, Sheila had sung a song. A song had been sung by Sheila. Now let's see an example for future perfect tense. So students, now let us see an example for converting a sentence into passive voice if the tense is future perfect tense. An example, Sheila will have sung a song. Now let's go for the conversion. First find out the object in the sentence. Make it as a subject in the passive voice. So object becomes a subject in the passive form. Identify the verb. Will have sung is the verb here. We need to apply the rule for the future perfect tense. Will have plus been plus the past participle of the verb. So let's apply the rule. Will have been, and now write the past participle of the verb, and it is already in the third form. So we'll write sung. Now add the word by after the verb. So let's add the word by after the verb, and last make the subject the object in the passive form. So now our subject becomes the object in the passive form. So now we have converted our sentence from active voice to passive voice if the tense is future perfect tense. We take an example. Sheila will have sung a song. After conversion into passive voice, a song will have been sung by she. So with this, we come to the end of our class. I hope you have understood the change of verbs from active voice to passive voice, keeping the tense in the mind. Now we'll see in our next class and another new topic. See you students in the next class. Thank you students.